Look at my fuzzy, furry table runner I made. It's so glitzy, glamorous, and matches the decor that I've purchased for Christmas. The supplies you will need to create this lush bomb table runner would be faux fur ribbon that has wire attached to the ribbon on each side. Also, you will need a glue gun. Grab you some scissors or a cutting utensil, whichever one you prefer. Also, a writing utensil such as pen or a pencil, and measuring utensils such as a ruler, or what I am about to use will be a measuring tape that I got from Harbor Freight for I think 99 cents. But yeah, I use this to measure the cardboard. This will be the base of the table runner. Start cutting the cardboard, whatever I've measured. My scissors were dull, so I just wanted to get this project knocked out quick as possible. It was like 12 in the morning, so I started using a knife, but please, I do not recommend it. After I cut the cardboard, I start to hot glue on that wired ribbon edge, and I am attaching the ribbon edge to the cardboard edge. And I just go down the whole cardboard. And before I do the hot glue gun, I measure the ribbon to the cardboard and cut the amount of ribbon I need to start the glam process. I'm about to glam this god doggone cardboard up with this ribbon I got. Here's a couple of tips towards the project. Tip number 1, make sure you put a dab of glue on the ribbon wire edge and immediately attach it to the cardboard edge. You don't need a lot of glue. I just say a dab, a strip, and attach it immediately to the cardboard. Second, don't place any hot glue on the back of the actual ribbon fabric if you want to reuse the ribbon for another project. Third tip, layer the fuzzy ribbon as if the fur is facing the opposite way each layer, giving the table runner a textured effect. So one layer is going one direction, the fur is pointing one direction, and then my next layer is the fur is actually pointing the opposite direction. So that is what I'm meaning. After I laid my ribbon, I should have actually started the ribbon on the side of the cardboard, but it's okay. I did have another small ribbon to cover the sides of the cardboard so you wouldn't see that brown cardboard showing on the sides. And there you have it, a customized fur lush table runner for any decorative table, any event that you need it for. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and come back. Bye.